Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the video, man. Welcome back to the channel. My name is SNEWJ'S. Now, y'all remember the last video? We asked millionaires in Orange County, who are they voting for president of the US of A? Today, we are in Beverly Hills, Los Angeles, Rodeo Drive, bougie ass place, right? Hella rich people. We're gonna ask these wealthy folks who they're voting for president, how they got rich, how much money they make, and how can we be as rich as them. Let's get the video started. Also, don't forget, if you want to be mentored by actual millionaires virtually, click the link in the bio, join my mentorship group. How you guys doing? I'm Snooge.
Rob.
Sheree.
Sheree, nice to meet you guys. What do you guys do for work?
I work at a bank.
You work at a bank as what position?
CFO.
How about you?
I own a CPA firm.
So how long you guys been doing that for?
30 years.
20 years.
20 years? You both like it?
Yeah.
How much can one make in your position best year?
You can make $200,000 to $500,000.
Okay, how about you?
500,000 to 700,000.
Now, how do you guys get to your positions? Did you have to go to school?
Yes.
Did you, like, both of you guys went to school?
Yes.
Okay, and then is it kind of like work your way up, join the right company, and then start your own thing? Is that?
That's
Hard
what
work.
she did.
That's what you did? Okay, how about you?
Started at a entry level, a small bank, went to a large bank, got experience, and then went back to a small bank.
Got you. Okay, now last question. Who are you guys voting for?
Trump.
Trump. Okay, Trump. Why Trump, so that people can understand?
For my position in the banking industry, it's a lot about the regulatory environment. And when he was in before, for every new regulation the government put out, his policy was they tried to cut 2 regulations.
I see.
So my industry is probably the second most regulated industry in the United States, banking and finance.
Okay.
And that's huge. Democrats are in office, right or wrong, there's more regulatory burden on banks. So from a small bank, which compares to small business, when your gross revenue is $3 million a year and your audit burden is 6 figures, relate that to a small business owner, that's a lot. That impacts not just employees, owners, but also customers.
Definitely. Okay.
Because we do taxes and accounting, and our business is all small businesses. So Republicans and conservatives are for small business.
I see.
Democrats are for big business. Democrats want to basically screw small businesses. Republicans and conservatives are to help small business, capitalism. Democrats are for socialism. So for us, it's all about small business. So we are for Trump because Trump is for capitalism, small businesses, free market. So we don't like Democrats. That's not what we're for. It's not what this country was built on.
How you doing, brother?
Hey,
I'm Snooge. What's your name?
Ted.
Ted. Are you Filipino? Or?
Yep.
Me too, bro. What do you do for work, man? I saw you pull up in the Lambo. You do something.
I'm in construction.
Construction.
Yeah, we do a lot of commercial, industrial, concrete polishing stuff. But yeah.
So it's your company or?
Yeah, I have a couple partners. We also do like real estate.
Okay,
stuff,
cool. How long have you been doing that for?
Construction?
Yeah. And owning that.
Years.
20 plus years.
Yeah.
Wow. How old are you?
I'm 44, man.
What the? I thought this guy was like 31. What the? That's not Filipino genetics. How much can one make per year doing that?
50 mil.
50 mil? Now, how does one even get into that position, like making 50 mil, owning a construction company? How did you do it? Did you have to go to school? Did you join the right, meet the right people?
It's actually me and my brother. We actually have, it's me and my brother. He did business, I did accounting, so we partnered up. We have actually another partner.
Did you guys have to have any money down, or how did you,
we actually worked out of our, we were building a house, so we were working out of our apartment.
So it started with building one house?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, actually our office was our apartment.
Okay.
And then we turned our living room into an office.
So when you got the first client, or what was like the first big job? How did that even?
No, we started doing public works jobs, so we just bid like all of schools throughout California.
And what was the big break, like to turn the corner where you're like, okay, now we're gonna start making money?
You know what? We just kept our overhead low. We didn't take any pay. We just got like whatever we needed in the very beginning, and then we just busted ass, and pretty much that's it.
No, I feel it. Now, last question: who do you want the president of the United States to be?
Trump, baby.
Trump. That's who you're voting for?
Yeah.
Tell people why Trump.
Everybody has their own position. I mean, I think it's whichever one benefits you the most, and I think Trump benefits me and my family. So that's why I'm going. The country is a big, huge business, and I think being a businessman, he knows how to run it.
Helps a lot. All right, how you doing?
Doing well, thank you.
I'm Snooge.
I'm
Melody.
I'm Gio.
Gio, nice to meet you. What do you do for a living?
I do real estate investments.
Okay. How long?
I think I bought my first home when I was 17.
17. Now how old are you now? Like 31?
44.
What?
Yeah.
Damn, what's the secret to your skincare regimen? Water, that's it?
That's it.
Nothing else?
It's all water.
Now, how much can one make per year doing what you do? Like, what was like maybe your best year, you would say?
My best year was probably like 1.5.
1.5? Now, how did you get there, though?
Honestly, the first thing I did was get a job at McDonald's. And I knew that wasn't what I wanted to do. And that motivated me to push myself.
That's how I got to be sometimes.
Yeah, you talk to entrepreneurs. I would ask them, hey, what do you do? And I would just hear people out.
Oh, so McDonald's was the gateway.
It was the gateway.
But you utilized it as a tool instead of just like, oh, let me just work. So you just, okay, so then you met somebody, like a customer?
No, I started thinking, I was like, well, how can I make the most amount of money in the shortest period of time? And then I started weighing my options. You know, I figured real estate has collateral. If I do like stock investments, you know, there's not always a collateral there to back you up.
Yeah.
So either way, at least in worst case, I'll make my money back up.
Right.
So that's how I got it.
So that's how you, okay, for sure. Now, last question. Who are you guys voting for? Sir.
I'm gonna go for Trump.
Trump? Okay. Okay.
She just came to the country, so
okay.
she's still getting acquainted.
Okay, no worries. So Trump, why? So that people can understand.
Well, I mean, he's a businessman, and he's looking for ways to improve the economy in this country. And as a business owner myself, I want to align myself with the right people for a business mentality politician.
I feel
That's the main reason.
What's up, man? What's your name?
What's up? Alberto.
Alberto, nice to meet you. What do you do for work? How do you make money?
I work in retail, actually.
Okay, what do you do?
I'm a salesperson.
And are you allowed to say the brand, the company?
No.
Is it luxury?
It's luxury.
Okay, luxury. How much can one make per year doing what you do?
Anywhere between 100 to 50K. 150K.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
So 6 figures for sure.
Yep.
Okay, then it must be like a real luxury, high end.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
for sure. Now, how did you get into that position? Did you just apply, entry, and then work your way up, or how does that work?
Pretty much. I have 15 years of experience.
Prior?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay.
So you build up your resume and...
Experience. Okay. So did you have to go to school for that?
Nope.
Okay, so no school, and just no college, 6 figures a year. It's pretty damn good.
Yep.
Last question. Who are you voting for?
Who am I voting for?
Who are you voting for?
Um,
Who's going to be the president of the U.S. of A?
I'm going to go ahead and say Kamala.
Kamala.
Yep.
Why Kamala? So the people can understand.
I'm going to choose Kamala just because from what I've heard of, she believes what I believe. So, you know, I'm a Mexican American. Trump doesn't support Mexicans, so that's what it is.
How you doing, sir? I'm Snooge.
Good. Hi.
What's your name?
Larry.
Larry, nice to
Yeah,
meet you.
nice
What
to
do
meet you.
what do you do for work? How do you make your money?
I work for a public real estate company.
Public?
B2B, yeah.
What kind of company?
B2B.
Oh,
e-commerce.
Okay.
Yeah,
E-commerce.
yeah.
Are you able to say like what it is exactly?
Yeah, help people to transact, trade furniture, those kind of big and bulky stuff.
Oh, okay. So you work for them, or you own it, or?
I own it.
Oh, you own it. Okay.
Yeah.
How long you been doing that for?
Yeah, 10 years.
10 years.
Yeah.
How much can one make per year doing that? Best year.
I'm a founder.
Best year.
Last year, 94 million.
94 million. So he's the real deal, huh? Now, how does one even become a founder of something like that? Did you go to school for that, or no?
Yeah, I went to business school. Yeah.
Okay, so you went to business school. Then after business school, how did you like start that company exactly?
I started a company for we do software outsourcing.
Software outsourcing.
in
Okay.
Japan,
Okay.
And, it didn't make it, and pivot to e-commerce later.
E-commerce. Okay, nice. And like, is it like joining the right partners and investors, or how?
Yeah, we got investors, venture capitalists invested in us on day one, but
Okay.
we gradually have more of those until we got the publicly listed.
See, now, do you have any advice to like the aspiring entrepreneur to get to your position one day?
Oh,
To make 96 mil? That's crazy.
yeah, I think. Yeah, it's just difficult. You know, it's
Yeah, of
not
course.
really for everyone.
Yeah.
And, you need everything, including hard working and the vision, and sometimes the luck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, absolutely. Now, last question. Are you here in the U.S. now?
Yeah.
Who are you voting for?
Yeah, I just feel no offending to those Democratic, but I just don't feel that they're using the tax we paid, wisely. They waste a lot of those.
The Democratic Party?
Yeah.
Okay, so you feel like the Republican will get us back to that?
They have better idea about the business, how to use money. Yeah, that's my impression.
Okay, how you doing, sir?
Good, sir.
I'm SNEWJ. What's your name?
Mohammed.
Mohammed. What do you do for a living?
I have a small business.
Small business? What kind of business is it?
Jewelry.
Jewelry. Is it here?
Yeah.
U.S.?
Yeah.
How much can one make per year doing that best year?
Like 45 to 70 million.
40? That's not a small business.
Yes.
45 to 70. Now, how did you start this jewelry business in the beginning?
Oh man, I gonna very hard work. Like you know.
So how old were you when you started?
That time my age is like 22.
22, and you're now 30, right?
Yeah. No, 54.
So you started 22.
Yeah.
And did you need any money down, or how did you start?
I starting a small business like a sunglasses.
Oh, so sunglasses first.
Yeah.
Name brand or no name brand?
No.
Okay, so then,
Brand.
and then after sunglass, what
After
happened?
sunglass, I have a gas station.
Gas station? Okay, did you need money down for that?
No, this like a.
Smaller gas
Yeah.
station? How much?
This is I got the lease.
Oh,
time,
lease.
You don't need the down nothing.
And you can make money from a lease?
Yes.
Oh, okay, so then after that you save money?
And I opened the jewelry.
The jewelry.
I have a fourth business right now, fourth jewelry store.
Oh my gosh. Who are you voting for?
Donald Trump.
Donald Trump. Why? So that people could understand.
Because that time I'm Republican, Democratic, but no more.
After
I have
Biden,
to
you're
pay
no more.
yeah.
Okay.
Because we're gonna pay too much taxes.
Pay too
and
much taxes.
We're gonna hard work. We pay a lot of money, and without paper, they're gonna enjoy here. We are suffering.
So you don't want America to suffer, is what you're saying.
Border cross, a lot of people coming, and they got the medical everything free.
Oh.
I have like a lot of thing. It's very good, but no more.
Yeah.
I don't want it. Biden coming again.
Okay, so Trump.
Yeah.
But okay, so I know Biden, but how about Trump? Why Trump?
Because when he's coming, that time business is very good.
Okay, yeah, so business was good. How you doing? I'm SNEWJ.
SNEWJ.
What's your name?
What up, Son?
San? Nice to meet you.
Oh man, Stacks.
Stacks, nice to meet you. What do you guys do for a living?
I'm in production.
Production, okay,
Yeah.
like music production?
Oh no, like lighting.
Oh, okay, lighting. Okay, how about you?
Multimedia production.
Okay, nice. Now, how long you guys been doing it for?
I would say about 5 years.
5 years?
Yeah.
You guys like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Okay.
100%.
Nice. How much can one make per year doing what you guys do?
350, 400.
Pretty good.
You know, in a year.
Nice,
For
yeah.
sure.
How about you?
Yeah, man, shit, it's limitless, man. It's really, it depends on you.
Like 6 figures or so?
Yeah, oh, yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
for
easy.
sure.
Yeah.
Now, how does one get into that that type of career? Like, what did you guys have to do? Is it like meeting the right people, or just applying in that kind of company, or?
It's a little bit of meeting the right people and just putting yourself in that position.
Is that what you did?
You know, yeah, 100%.
Okay,
You know,
okay,
just
for
meeting
sure.
the right people, having the right work ethic, I would say.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Just willing to take that next step, you know?
Okay, yeah,
Just going
absolutely.
above, over, and beyond, you know what I mean, for the jobs at hand. Because they say, don't prepare for the job you have. I mean, don't settle for the job you have, prepare for the job you want. You know?
Ooh, okay.
So-
First time I heard that one. I like that. How about you?
Yeah, man. Nah, man, you know, you just gotta pursue what you want, do what you gotta do, you know. If it turns into a hobby, whatever you like to do, whatever you spend your money on, that's what you should pursue.
Of course,
You know
of
what I'm
course,
saying?
yeah. Now, last question. Who are you guys voting for the president of the USA?
Both of them smoking crack right now.
Man.
If you had to pick, both of y'all.
Trump.
Okay, we got Trump over here.
Trump.
You know what? I'm gonna go with Camilla for sure.
Camilla.
Yeah,
Okay.
and she's black, so fuck it.
Okay. So tell the reason why Camilla, and then you say why Trump.
I'm gonna say Camilla because she's black. I'm gonna just go with that, yo. I feel like we should be prejudiced as black people. You know what I mean? Like, yo, go for yours. You know, it's been 300 years. Been against your ass. Go for it.
How are you? Why Trump?
Man. Shit, pro Bitcoin and guns, man. You know what I'm saying? Make America great again. That's it, man. We know. We on it. You gotta show the world who's in charge again.
You tell me I'm something you need, but baby, you know that I'm bad for you, yeah. Why you gotta be so naive? If I treat you like one I don't want, then you know I'm just so hard to please. I lie to your face to get what I want, babe. Somehow you keep calling to me. Why are you so naive?